Hello everyone, welcome to the Artist Azaru art tutorial channel. Here's a little challenge for you. Don't skip this video because by the end of it you will be surprised by what you can create with just a pencil and a little patience. I'll take you through every step, making it simple and enjoyable for all of you here, sharing simple techniques that anyone can follow, even you're a beginner. So what are you waiting for? Just grab your drawing materials and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the grid lines. Before we begin, let's carefully draw the grid lines using the exact measurements shown in the video. Keep each line light and evenly spaced, as this will make it much easier to sketch the artwork accurately. Once your grid is completed, now we can begin our amazing artwork for today. Step 2. Erase the grid lines and darken the drawing. Once the basic drawing is completed, gently erase the grid lines, then darken your drawing to make the outline clearer and proper, followed by this video.
Step 3. Add details and finalize the drawing. Now it's time to refine the outline and add all important details and complete the final touches to finish your drawing of this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notifications bell for more step-by-step drawing videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video on Artist Azaru.